Hey everybody, how are you? I picked this up at Walmart. I think it was like $3. Then this was a 3-pack for $1. So I grabbed that, and look how cute it's going to make this 3-level tier. I thought that maybe I would use zip ties to zip it down, but then I thought that if the zip ties were here and I go to put my glue in it, it might make it a little wobbly. I do need new ringtones. Okay, so I decided that I was going to use the hot glue gun. There's a piece of plastic underneath me, and I thought that I would just give it a quick little dab on it just to see if it works. And I want to line it up real quick, and I missed that opportunity. I didn't level that. It's okay. It really is. Bet you if I pulled it off, I could do it again. I'm not doing that. I'm good. No overthinking it. Not happening. Right, everybody? We made it. It's okay. And honestly, I bet you I could do dab, 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 and I'll dab only in the four corners, and then I'll line this up, and I'll put it down, and then I'll do the last one, and I'll just give it a little at the end of each rung. I can't think today, but you all know what I'm talking about. Okay. And push down. And look at that! Look at how stinking cute this is. How stinking cute. This is my thought concept. On my desk, I need space. So how cute does this glue fit there? I'm trying to think if I had another glue that I wanted to put there, right? I did just buy my paint, and down here in my prime location are the paints that I'm waiting on using. How cute! I might put my glue down here. This will be off to my right because I'm a righty. Woo! And I will take a picture of it. So let me add some more stuff to it. I actually like the glue up at the top. Yep. Liking that. This way I can see everything that's in front of me. Oh, wow. Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Alright, I'll give you a visual this way. Thanks for watching. This was a quick, easy, I didn't even think it'll be a 5-minute video. Look at how cute that is. Alright, everybody, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I will see you real soon. Bye.